Welcome. In front of me I have the HUAWEI Band 10 and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So anyway, let's just pop it open, which have a pull tab right here. Something inside here. So inside we also have our USB-A to this magnetic connector charging cable. Paperwork, more paperwork, and that's about it. Now taking a look at the watch itself, it has a bit of a choppy little animation right here. You can see this. So this is not like the smoothest one. From my experience, I can already say that HUAWEI bands feel much smoother than this. Also, on the backs, honestly, this actually seems a little bit bigger than it actually is, which is what she said. So yeah, this is just a bit smaller than what I would have expected. Again, there's a joke to be made once again, but so that's one thing. And other than that, it's running proprietary software of HUAWEI, so the battery life here should be just fantastic, as almost every smart band or like smartwatch that runs its own system other than something like an Android Wear OS does have a really good battery life, and obviously the same thing will be right here. The downside is you're limited to what the watch actually comes with. So any kind of sport modes and applications that it comes with, that's all you have access to and nothing else. Now in terms of the quality, the watch itself is on the lighter side. The strap does feel pretty nice, this kind of soft, dense kind of silicone feeling, so it's not feeling very cheap. It doesn't feel too harsh compared to like some other smartwatches and bands which have this silicone kind of very stiff, rigid kind of band, which doesn't feel too great. This one feels pretty good, so at least this will be a very good positive. And the buckle right here is made out of plastic, which not the biggest fan of having like plastic buckles, as plastic is obviously brittle, so it might sometimes break from usage, and typically your band watch would just fall off. Now there is a benefit here as well, as it is using this metal little clip, so even if this would break, it still keeps on, as you can see, pretty well on there, so you wouldn't lose it easily even if the plastic buckle would break, hopefully. But anyway, that's basically it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.